Good afternoon or good morning wherever you are. My name's Uma. I hope you're all well and staying safe. Today I'm showing you the Joy to the World paper pumpkin kit, and it comes like this, and I just wanted to show you what was inside. So I might have to get my scissors out. Oh, yep, scissors are a go-go. Here we go. I think there's a there to thwart me. So here we go. So with the Joy to the World paper pumpkin, the only thing you need besides the paper pumpkin is a stamping block, and they recommend this block D, if you can see it. So let's see what's inside here. We have some stamps, and this is your introduction to paper pumpkin and a few samples here. You get a little dinky stamping spot in Just Jade. Oh, a bit of tissue in here. I'll just get this box out of the way. And I think, yep, this is, the shrink wrapping has again got me, so let's get the scissors in here. And you get some thread, you get some thread. And some stamping dimensionals, which I absolutely love. Some embossed cardstock, and you see it's kind of a cable knit pattern. Here's your envelopes for sending your 8 beautiful cards. And these are the pieces of card that you'll be stamping on. Some beautiful foiled card bases here. And there we go. Some lovely die cut shiny sentiments. And adhesive dots. I love these in the kits, they're so quick to do. And at the back are your instructions.